numbers up to 99. Okay, yes. So after we have learned till so far, we have learned till 50, right? These are the numbers which followed after 50. Okay, shall we say one time? Yes, by muting yourself, you need to repeat after me. Okay, yes, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 610, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 7 tenths. Okay. Yes. Followed by 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 8 tenths. Okay. Yes. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 9 tenths. Okay. Yes, so 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100 will be coming. Okay, very good, Vandana. Yes, but in this first standard, you will be learning only till up to 2-digit numbers, right? Till 2-digit numbers. So it is till 99. We are also going to learn numbers up to 99. Okay, you know which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest 1-digit number? Yes, it is 9. The smallest 1-digit, sorry, the greatest 1-digit number is 9. Okay. Likewise, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Can you guess which is the greatest 3-digit number? Here, 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. Likewise, 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Can you guess what is the greatest 3-digit number? 3-digit number? Yes, it is 999. See how the 9 follows 1 digit? 1. Okay, 9 ones. Here, 9 tens and 9 ones. Here, 109, 999. Okay, this is how the numbers follows. Okay, this is the 1-digit greatest number, 2-digit greatest number, and 3-digit greatest number. Okay, now let's move on to the textbook exercise, page number 82. Math textbook, page number 82. Math textbook, page number 82. Okay. Binny's father has a sugarcane farm. So meet the girl Binny here. She is Binny. Okay. Her father is having a sugarcane farm. He grows sugarcane and sells it in the market. So is his father. Her father is selling sugarcane in the market. Okay. Shall we see what happens next? Yes. Binny makes sugarcane bundles of tents. So Binny is helping her father to make sugarcane bundles of tents so that he can send them to the shops in the market. So that she is helping her father to sell in the market. Okay. So Binny's father told her the number of sugarcanes that are to be sent to each shop. He asked Binny to make sugarcane bundles of tens and ones for each shop. So Binny's father is asking her help to make it into bundles of tens and ones to sell it in the market. Okay, this is what Binny did. Binny tied for shop 1, Binny tied 3 bundles of sugar canes and 1, 2, 4, 5 more sugar canes to it. Okay, likewise for shop 2, she made the arrangements of 2 bundles of 10 sugar canes and 1, 2.
Yubarani ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yubarani ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
your voice is clear, but parents are telling like voice is breaking. Kindly check your network, parents. Voice is clear. Voice is very clear. Ma'am's voice is very clear. Kindly check your network, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So for the shop 2, Winnie made 2 bundles of 10 sugar canes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more sugar canes to it. Okay. Likewise, for the shop 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bundles of sugar canes and 1, 2, 3, 3 more sugar to it. Okay, for shop 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bundles of sugar canes and more to it. Okay, so now you are going to say the number of sugar canes that were given to each shop. Okay, how many sugar cane bundles and loose sugar canes were given to shop 1? Can I get the yes? Very good, Nandana. It's 3 tens and 5 ones. Wonderful. Okay. Can I get the answers for the shop 2? Yes, it is 2 bundles and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sugar canes. 2 bundles and 8 sugar canes. That may Ojashvi very good. It's 28. So for shop 3, very good, Kanna. Ojashvi and Nandana, superb. It is 43. 4 bundles and 3 more sugar cane to it. For the shop 4, 5 bundles of sugar cane and 1 more. Lakshmi, Nandana, Ojashvi, super. It is 50. Very good, Jay. Wonderful. Darshan, Lingesh, superb, Kanna. Very good. Satvika, yes. Wonderful. You know how to make the bundles, right? We have already what makes a bundle, right? In one bundle, how sticks will be there? There will be sticks. Likewise, this Binny also, she's also making bundle, 2 bundles, 3 bundles, 4 bundles, and 5 bundles. Okay, so we are going to learn the numerals from 50 to 60 now. Okay, here we have 5 bundles of sugar cane. So 5 bundles are equal to 50. In one bundle we will be having 10 sugar canes. Likewise, in bundle we will be having 20. In bundle 30, in 4 bundle 40, 5 bundle 50. So we will be having 50 sugar canes in 5 bundles. Okay, 5 tens and 0 ones makes 50. Okay, so likewise the next numeral comes as 5 bundles and 1 more to it makes 5 bundles and sugar canes and 1 more to it makes 51. Very good, Kanna, very good. I could get many answers in the chat box. Super, it is 51. 5 tens and 1 ones. Likewise, and what 5 and 52 one it is 55 bundles and 2 52. Very good, Ojashvi. Superb. And 5 10 5 and 10 should be more. It makes 53. Likewise, 5 bundles of 10 sugar canes, 4 more to it makes 54. Wonderful, Kana. I'm getting many answers in the chat box. Super. At the last, I will give you all a big. Now, we are going to see 5 bundles of sugar, 10 sugar canes, and 5 more it makes 5. 5 cane and 6 more to it makes 56. 6. 5 bundles of sugarcane and 7 more to it makes 57. Okay, now see me in 57. How many tens? How many ones are there? In 57, 5 bundles of sugarcane and 7 loose sugarcane are there. How many tens and how many ones are there in 57? Yes, we have 5 and 7 ones in 57. Superb. Very good. Let's move on to the next slide. Again, here comes 5 bundles of 10 sugar canes and 8 more. It makes 58. Wow, wonderful. Okay, so now 4 bundle of 10 sugar canes and 9 more. It makes 59. Now see me. 6 bundles of sugarcane makes what? 6 bundles. You all know that in one bundle we have 10 sugar canes. In 2 bundles, 20. Likewise in 3 bundles, 30. Likewise in 4 bundles, 40. 5 bundles, 50. So if it is 6 bundles, how many will be there? 6 sugar canes will be there. 60, right? So 60 canes. So ones of sugar cane makes 60. Okay, 6 tens and 0 ones of sugar cane make 60. Wow, wonderful. Now we have learned the numerals. Now we are going to move on to the number names. 51 to 60. Okay, this will be carried over by Tina, my ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes. Here we have numeral 51 and we are going to write number name for 51. Yes, I want all my children to repeat after me without unmuting your mic. Okay? 51. The numeral is 51. The number name F-I-F-T-Y. 50 O-N-E. 1. Yes, everyone knows 1, 2, 3 in number names, right? So remember the spelling of 50 very clearly. It is F-I-F-T-Y. Okay? 51. 5 tens and 1 makes 51. The next one, 52. 5 tens and 2 ones makes 52. 5 tens and 2 ones makes 52. So shall we see the number name for 52? F-I-F-T-Y. 50 T-W-O 2. 52. Next, 5 tens and 3 ones makes 53. 5 tens and 3 ones makes 53. Yes, 5 bundles and 3 more to it makes 53, right? So the number name for 53 is F-I-F-T-Y. 50 T-H-R-E-E 3. 53. 5 tens and 4 ones makes 54. Yes, 5 bundles and 4 more to it makes 54. Yes, 5 tens and 4 more, 4 ones is 54. So F-I-F-T-Y 50, F-O-U-R 54. The next number, 5 tens and 5 ones makes 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50, F-I-B-E 55. 5, 55. Yes. 5 tens and 6 ones. 5 bundles and 6 more to it makes 56. So 5 tens and 6 ones makes 56. So the number name for 56, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-I-X, 6, 56. Next we have 5 bundles and 7 more to it. 5 tens and 7 ones. That makes 57. So 5 tens and 7 ones makes 57. So the number name for 57, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 57. Next we have 5 tens and 8 ones makes 58. 5 tens and 8 ones makes 58. So F-I-F-T-Y, 50. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 58. Next we have the number 5 tens and 9 ones makes 59. So 5 bundles and 9 more to it makes 59. So the number name for 59 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E, 59. Yes, what is the number name for 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E, 9, 59. What comes the next? Yes, here we have the number 60. 60 means how many bundles? Can I have answers in the chat box? How many bundles make 60? Yes. Yes, very good children. Yes, it is 6 bundles makes 60, right? So 6 tens and 0 1 makes 60. Very good, superb stuff for you all. Yes, the number name for 60 is S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Yes, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Yes, now we are going to do ascending order. Yes, ascending order means, yes, the crocodile mouth is going from small number to a big number. Yes, from small to big number. Yes, so can we see the 4 numbers are given here? Yes, from small to big, the mouth is opening big, right? So the ascending order is from small number to a big number. So can we see the numbers? 60, 50, 58 and 53. Yes, what should we do first? We have to see the which is the smallest tens value. Yes, which is the smallest tens value? 5 is the smallest tens value in all these things, in all these numbers. Next, we will move on to the next second number. Yes, we will move on to the second number, that is ones place. So, what are the numbers in ones place? We have 0, we have 8 and we have 3. Which is the smallest in these 3 numbers? Yes, 0 is the smallest. So, we have to write 50. Yes. So, 50 we will write in the first box. Next comes 58 or 53. 5 tens, both are 5, 5. So, you will compare with the ones place, 8 and 3. So, which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So, you will strike out 53 and you will write 53 in it. Next, we have and 60. So which is the smallest in tens place? 5 or 6? Yes, it is 5. So you will write, strike out 58 and write 58 next. And then the last comes the 60. Yes, have we all done with 4 numbers? Yes. It goes from small number to a big number. It is an increasing order. Yes, the number increases from a small number to a big number. Yes, very good, dears. Yes, next comes the descending order. Next comes the descending order. Descending order means, yes, we will draw steps and we will find out what? We will find out the big number to a small number. Yes, descending order means from big number to a small number. Yes, we will start with the big number and it will go step by step down, 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 and it goes to the smallest number. Yes, it is going in a decreasing order. Decreasing order. Yes, from big number to a small number. Yes, here we have the 4 numbers. First, what we will do? We will see the tens values. All the numbers where we will compare and see the tens place. Here what you will do? You will see the biggest tens place value. Yes, biggest tens place value. Here we have 58, 60, 51, 53. Yes, which is the biggest one? Yes, only 6 is there. Only 1 6 is there in tens place. So we will strike out that 60 and we will write first. Next we have 5 in all these numbers. Yes, all the tens place value, only 5 is there. So what should you do? You should go to the next number and find out which is the biggest. Yes, here we have 8, 1 and 3. Which is the biggest here? Biggest number? Yes, it is 58. So you will strike out 58 and you will write the next. Then we have the 2 numbers 51 and 53. Which is the biggest in one's place value? 3 or 1? It is 3, right? So 53 will come next. So you will strike out that and you will write 53. And the last number we have is 51. The last number we have is 51. So we will be writing 51 here. So we have arranged the numbers in a decreasing order. Yes, from big number to a small number. We have arranged the numbers in a descending order. Descending order means from big number to a small number. Yes, here next we have, yes, very good children. Yes, next we have yes, see here how many trees are there here. As we did bundles, now we are going to group into 10 and then we will write 10. So how many trees are here? The trees, each tree is having how many apples? Yes, 10 apples are there in each tree. So how many trees are there? Can I have answers in the chat box? Yes, 5 trees are there. So 5 trees. Yes, each tree has 10 apples. So one tree is equal to 10 apples. They have grouped into 10 apples. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 apples are there. So 5 trees are there. So how many tens are there? 5 tens. So shall we write 5 inside the box? Yes. And how many more add to it? How many apples are separate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more apples. That is 8 ones. So 5 tens and 8 ones makes 58. So the number is 58. You will write 5 tens and 8 ones. That makes 58. Yes, 5 groups of trees. Yes, 5 groups and 8 more to it makes 58. Yes. Can we have ma'am, can we have a whiteboard, ma'am? And we can have a revision, a small revision on it.
Yes, ma'am. We will be having LSRW now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share the white screen? I'll be calling out the names and I'll mark the marks, ma'am. Yes, 10 ma'am. Okay. It is 1F Kavicharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes, dears. Can you complete the pattern?
Eight, ma'am.
Very good. Star for you. Thank you, dear. Next, ma'am.
Now it is Ojeshri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ojasvi. The number here is, the numeral here is?
4.
No. 42. Can you say the number name for 42?
Pencil G2 pencil.
F-4-T-Y, 4.
40.
W-O, 2.
Very good. Superb. Star for you. Superb, dear. Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Kritik Bala of 1F.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Yes. What comes next, dear? You have to complete the pattern.
3.
3 petals we will draw. Yes. Superb. What comes next? Next, how many petals you will draw?
4.
Yes, very good. Next, you will be drawing 4 petals. Yes, very good. Star for you.
Satvika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Can you say the numeral for this number name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
3. 30.
Yes, what number is that? What numeral should we write in the blank? Yes, dear. What is this?
33.
33. Very good. Star for you.
Abhinav Sai.
Yes. Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Jay Gurudev, good morning. Yes, can you? Yes, very good morning. Yes, now. Can you say the pattern that comes the next?
It's a T. It's a T actually.
It's actually T. Okay.
Right on top.
Okay. The next one. The next one.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. What will come the next?
It will be the straight line and the sleeping line are below. It's like a
Very
pattern.
good. Very good. Superb. Very good. Superb stuff for you.
Arshad.
Yes, dear. What comes next? Yes. What comes next? It is skip counting by how many? Yes, who is this?
Kavicharan.
Yes, very good, Kavicharan. It is 20.
No,
Superb.
Ma'am, Arshad should answer. Kavicharan, you got your chance right. You should not interrupt in between. Okay? Arshad, answer for the question, Kana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear, try.
Right. Customer.
It is skip counting by 5s.
Next என்ன வரும் சார்
Arshad?
20.
Yes, it is 20. Very good. Good try. Yes, you have to see how many numbers are skipped and then you have to find out by yourself. Very good try. Superb. Thank you.
Niralaya, followed by Darshan and Gopi Kishan.
Yes. Niralaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Can you say the next number that follows the pattern? Yes, dear.
Ma'am, 55.
No, it is 1. From 1 it goes to 3. So skip counting by 2s in an odd number, right? So 1, 3, 5. What comes next?
7.
Yes, very good. Superb. Star for you.
Darshan, followed by Gopi Kishan and Janavika.
Yes, dear. Yes, very good. Superb. Very good morning.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. What comes next?
7.
Look at the numbers. The pattern is in numbers.
30.
3030. Yes, very good. Superb. Start for you.
Gopi Kishan followed by Janavika and Jaya Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning, dear. Yes, now we are going to count these objects and you're going to circle the objects into 10 and then you're going to count the extras and tell me the number. First count the 10 objects and you're going to yes. How many objects are there totally? You're going to count and
12.
yes, 12. So you will circle these 10 objects first and then you will count the remaining. Yes. So the answer is 12. Very good. Good start for you. Yes, thank you, dear.
Janavika followed by
Yes.
Jaya Krishna and Jivika Jivana.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning, dear. Yes, what comes next?
3.
No, I have given the patterns in colors. So what comes next? Look at the pattern. Green, yes, very good, superb. So next comes the green dot, right? Okay, superb. Start for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Jaya Krishna followed by Jivika Jivana and Jaganvel. Ma'am, time is going to end, ma'am. Kindly make it fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, dear. Are you there? Yes.
Jaya Krishna,
Spooli.
Down triangle.
Yes, very good. So it is down triangle. I request all my lovely children to answer. If you don't know, we are there to help you. So kindly unmute your mic when ma'am is giving you a chance. Yes, don't worry. We will be calling you. We will be calling the other children in the forthcoming classes. Yes, now it's time up for the class. So I request all my lovely children to turn on their video and say bye bye. And do well all.